Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the world of travel tips and tricks to make your journeys smoother and more enjoyable. Ever had your luggage lost in transit, or spent ages waiting at baggage claim? It's one of the most frustrating parts of traveling, isn't it? You arrive at your destination excited to start your adventure, only to find yourself stuck at the baggage claim, anxiously watching the carousel go round and round. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to skip all that hassle and get straight to the fun part of your trip. That's right, carry-on luggage. It's a game changer for frequent travelers and vacationers alike. Let me tell you why carry-on luggage is your best travel buddy. It's not just about convenience, it's about transforming your entire travel experience. First off, it saves you time. Time is precious, especially when you're traveling. No more waiting around for your bags to show up on the carousel. You can bypass the baggage claim area entirely. You just grab your bag from the overhead bin and go. It's as simple as that. Boom, more time for adventure. Imagine landing in a new city and heading straight out to explore without any delays. Next, it saves you money. We all know how quickly travel expenses can add up. Airlines are notorious for slapping on extra fees for checked bags. These fees can be quite hefty, especially if you're traveling with multiple bags. Avoid those charges by sticking to carry-on only. It's a simple way to keep more money in your pocket. More money in your pocket means more fun on your trip. You can spend that extra cash on experiences, dining, and souvenirs instead. Now let's talk about peace of mind. Traveling can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. With carry-on luggage, your belongings are always with you. You don't have to worry about your bags getting lost or damaged. Everything you need is right there, safe and sound. But wait, there's more. Carry-on luggage forces you to pack smarter. You learn to bring only the essentials, making your travel experience lighter and more efficient. Trust me, less is more. And here's a pro tip. Most carry-on bags fit right in the overhead bin and personal items under the seat in front of you. This means you can avoid the hassle of gate checking and the risk that comes with it. Finally, let's talk flexibility. With carry-on luggage, you're more agile. You can move through airports and cities with ease. If plans change last minute, you can easily hop on a different flight without worrying about your bags. Spontaneity just got a whole lot easier. So next time you plan a trip, think about going carry-on only. It's faster, cheaper, and gives you peace of mind. Ready to give it a try? We can help you make it happen. Check out our links for buying the best travel gear, as well as our tips and hacks for choosing the right luggage, making more of your space, and saving money in the process. Your best travel buddy is waiting. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to publish more helpful videos like these. We appreciate you tuning in.